Calling a function is pretty much simple. And we actually have done it in the previous example. As you can see here on my spider, let me open spider. Here we called hello world one time, 10 times. Here we called hello world again with I as an input 10 times. And here again we called it. So in this one there was an error, which is an intentional error. So yeah, but still we call it the right way. We haven't made any mistake here. We made a mistake during in the core of our function. So I will talk about how we. I will show another example on how to call functions. So let's move on. So parameters in Python are called by assignment. All values for the variables that are parameter names are hidden, and these variables are simply made to refer to the new values. All assignment in Python, including binding function parameters, uses reference semantics. Now let me show you the third example. So the third example here is a simple function that the name is multiplication. It takes two inputs, x and y, and then it multiplies x and y and gives it to results. So we have a new variable here that is called result, takes x and y, and then we return result. So here we use this function 3 times. I believe this is the first time I show you an example which uses result. So as you can return. So as you can see, in the previous examples we didn't need to use return, but in this example we need to use return. So sometimes it is not necessary to write return and then return something, but we do have to return it. So here we're calling multiplication function with 2 arguments, 5 and 5. So here we're printing the result of 5 and we're turning a into a string because once again a here is a number, this returns a number, and then if we try to print it, it's not going to work. Here again we're doing the same thing, and then we're printing it again, and then here again we're doing the same thing and then printing it again with different values. So let's go ahead and run this and see what it gives us. So as you can see here, 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, 723 multiplied by 524 is 37, no, it's 378,000 something. So this is the way we call functions, and